Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bobby Rahmanian, Chief Product Officer with CheckAlt. I'm joined here today with Stacy Bryant, who oversees our relationship management team with CheckAlt. We're both absolutely delighted and very excited to talk to you about one of our newer products today called LoanPay. Perhaps the best way to tell you about what LoanPay does and what it is to tell you a little bit about why CheckAlt decided to invest in this product and create it from scratch. Currently, CheckAlt provides treasury services to over 600 different institutions across the US, from credit unions to banks to insurance companies and many other verticals alike. In our conversations with many of our clients, one of the main complaints we were getting was that they did not really have a payment platform that was omni-channel, that provided their clients or their customers and members with an experience where they could collect against the loans and products that they were making to them. For example, if they offered ACHs, it was only provided via the online and mobile channel. In many instances, they didn't even offer cards. If they did offer cards, it was solely via the call center and as a one-time payment only and not as a recurring payment. These are some of many different pain points that LoanPay is designed to resolve. It is a core agnostic platform, payments platform is what I should say, that can integrate fully with the financial institutions, online banking, and mobile platforms, or it can be set up as a fully white label platform on its own. At a very high level, it collects the loan information, it interacts with the consumer to collect the payment instructions, it processes those payments, and at the end of the day, it posts them to the customer's account and it settles the funds with the financial institution. Without further ado, I would like to pass it on to Stacy, who will show you what that interaction from the consumer's perspective looks like with the platform. Stacy, all yours.
Thank you, Bobby, and happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday, everyone. There we go. Got to crank this up. As Bobby mentioned, one of the neat features that LoanPay provides is the capability of being able to white label, as well as fully customize the branding as per the FI financial institution content. LoanPay's user interface is as straightforward and simple as possible. As you can see, we've made the menu bar as direct for the user. An overview of the accounts noted are the loans that typically a customer in this instance has with the FI. So you have an auto loan, student, home equity, business loan, and for the customer's accessibility, they'll be able to just review basic loan information, balance, minimum amount due, due date, and all this information is provided directly from the FI. Let's jump right in and create a payment. LoanPay is very big, again, on simplicity, bringing all this information and populating it and providing the customer with another recap, no need to toggle back and forth. Defaults the payment amount to the minimum payment, and then the customer at this point just has to go ahead and select one-time reoccurring or either regular principal interest-only payment. So in this instance, instead of using the Chase checking, let's go ahead and add a new payment method, a card. So for the sake of demo TV magic, let me magically type this in. Hit save. The customer at this point will go ahead and select that new payment method, hit next, review the terms and conditions, agree. That's it, easy breezy. And the customer member at this point can go ahead and confirm that scheduled payment here. And then they also have the capability of being able to review any previous payments processed. So you have the date it was processed, the amount that was paid, and the payment method used. Keep in mind that LoanPay is fully mobile responsive, as the desktop view mirrors the same sleekness and cohesiveness on any mobile device. Back to you, Bobby.
Awesome. Thank you, Stacy. As we all know, the entire payment journey for our customers doesn't always start and end online. In many instances, they have the need to interact with your back office folks, whether that's at the call center or it's via your branches, for example. There's an entire workflow that we've created for LoanPay where it enables your back office folks to interact with that consumer over the phone or at the branch in person, for example, and provide all the same functionalities that consumer could have done on their own via the online banking or mobile platforms. At this point, I'll pass it back to Stacy that will show you what that interaction with the customer service rep looks like with the platform on the back end.
Again, simplicity is key. So we go ahead and LoanPay mirrors the same customer view and provides that same image, if you will, for the call center view. So let's say the member or customer, they're on the go, they need to call in to make a payment. The customer call center representative will go ahead and look them up by name, account number, loan ID. Then they'll go ahead and fully authenticate the customer. And all these security questions are directly provided from the FI. Once that checks out, again, that clear cohesiveness as mirrored in the member and the customer view is provided on the call center view. Bobby?
Awesome. When we launched this platform, one thing we noticed was that a lot of the clients using the platform were reaching out to us to make many of the typical BAU changes to the platform. We didn't make those features and functionalities available to them. So going back and trying to make that entire process much more efficient for ourselves at CheckAlt as well as for the clients, we created an entire admin profile for the financial institutions where now their back office folks could interact with the platform and make those changes without having to reach out to CheckAlt. As an example, now their compliance folks, for example, can log into the platform and make the changes for the terms and conditions on the website. Or on the reverse side of it, their marketing folks, for example, can log into the platform and make the look and feel as they please. Hopefully, it's been very evident that we're super excited about this product. We've got great items on our roadmap, such as real-time payments, as well as real-time connection to cores. We would love to be able to carry that conversation with you at our booth. Thank you all very much for your time, and have a fantastic night.
Thank you, guys.